Welcome student, welcome to Poor Academy. I am Ashish. Today we will discuss MCQ on matrix and determinant part 2. I have already discussed 18 problems in part 1 video, and in this video I will discuss with you another 18 problems. All are different. I request you again, you watch my video on matrices, 4 videos, then you will be able to understand these MCQs, and let's start now. So first 4 problem 19 to 22 of the second part of MCQ on matrix. I will solve 21st, 21, then 19 for space problem. So there are the number of possible matrices of 3 by 3 order with 0 and number. A matrix will be formed with only 1 and 0. So number of possible matrix. So correct answer is 2 to the power 9 equal to 5, 12. Let us solve. Why 5, 12? So if it is 3 by 3 matrix, there are 9 places. There are 9 places, and each places will be filled up by either 1 or 2. So first place can be filled in 2 ways, 1 or 2. Then second 2 ways, 1 or 2. Third 2. Each position can be filled in 2 ways. So total number of ways in which the matrix would be, different types of matrix would be formed, is 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 means 512. So D is the correct answer. Next 22. 22 says if A and B are symmetric matrix. For symmetric matrix, we know A transpose is equal to A. A, B are two symmetric matrix, both are symmetric. Then AB minus BA is what? Symmetric, identity matrix or null matrix. You try. The correct answer is A. It is skew symmetric. Why? If the question comes like this, whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric, we will transpose the given matrix. So AB minus BA transpose equal to minus, if there is minus or plus, it doesn't matter, it is AB transpose minus BA transpose. If it is plus, then here it will be plus. So this equal to B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. Since they are symmetric, A or B both, B transpose means B, A transpose means A, minus A, B. So if I take minus common, so AB minus BA. So if AB minus BA matrix, the transpose of AB minus BA matrix is equal to minus AB minus BA, then it is skew symmetric. So answer is A. AB minus BA is skew symmetric. 22. A equal to this. A inverse is XA plus YI. I means identity matrix. XY are this. If you try, you may try. The correct answer is A. Minus 1 by 11 and Y is 2 by 11. Let's solve. A inverse. First we have to calculate A inverse. So A inverse equal to, first date A. Date A equal to 1 by A adjoint of A. So date is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10, that means 11. So this is 1 by 11 date A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint A is the transpose of the matrix of cofactor. So for one element there is plus, minus, minus, plus. So for first element cofactor is 1. 1 for 2, for 2 it is minus 5. So minus minus 5 plus 5. For this 5 it is 2. 2 minus 2. For 1 it is 1, and there is transpose. So this equal to 1 by 11, 1, 5, minus 2, 1. This is the matrix A inverse, and XA plus YI. XA, X into A. A means XA 1, 2, minus 5, 1, XA plus YI, Y into identity 1, 0, 0, 1. This is equal to X plus Y, X plus Y. I multiply X and then adding Y, X plus Y. There are 2X plus 0, 2X. Here minus 5, a minus 5X plus 0, minus 5X, minus 5X plus 0, minus 5X, X plus Y, this equal to, I am multiplying 1 by 11, 1 by 11 minus 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by 11. So you see X plus Y is equal to 1 by 11, and 2X is equal to, there is shortage of space, 2X is equal to minus 2 by 11. Therefore cancelling 2, X equal to minus 1 by 11. So X equal to minus 1 by 11, and Y equal to Y equal to X plus Y is equal to, X plus Y equal to 1 by 11. So X equal to minus 1 by 11 plus Y equal to 1 by 11. So Y is equal to 2 by 11. So first X equal to minus 1 by 11, Y is equal to 2 by 11. A is the correct answer. Then number clear? Next ABC. A is equal to, this is a matrix, AB is equal to 1, A transpose into A is equal to identity matrix. A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to, ABC equal to how much? ABC equal to, correct answer is 4D. So let us solve. You must know A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3AB, there is a formula, there is an identity rule. A cube, B cube, C cube minus 3 is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C minus C. This is the formula of A cube, B cube, C cube plus minus 3ABC. So given ABC is equal to 1 and A transpose A equal to I. Let us calculate A transpose into A. So A transpose A equal to A B C B C A C A B into A transpose into A. A transpose into A. A transpose A B C, A B C, B CA and it is CAB. Same, that means this is a symmetric matrix into ABC, BCA, CAB. So this equal to A into A square plus B square plus C square, then AB, BC, CA, AB plus BC plus CA, and third AC, AB, AC plus AB, AC, AB, BC plus BC. Matrix multiplication. I write the result. It is not necessary to calculate all these. So I can say A plus this equal to, it's not necessary to calculate other elements. You see, this is equal to identity matrix. This is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So I can say 1 equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1, and AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, and you know ABC is equal to 1. So what is the remaining? I get A plus though ABC equal to A plus B plus C is not known. So A plus B plus C. So I know A plus B plus C whole square equal to 2 equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So A plus B plus C is root over 1. Since A square plus B square plus C square is positive number and the root of positive number is 1. So I have calculated almost all value. It is required to calculate ABC. So ABC A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. ABC is equal to 1 minus 3 equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is 1. 1 into A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 minus if I take common minus A plus B plus C, so its value is 0. So 0. So ultimately A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So correct answer is D. Clear? Next 4 problems 23 to 26. So you try. The correct answer for 23 is B, 24 C, 25 possibly D, and for 26 correct answer C. So I will do problem number 24 first. 24 says if B transpose AB is symmetric, if B is symmetric, B is skew symmetric, A is symmetric, none. So first we will try B transpose AB whole transpose. What will happen? Let's see. So correct answer A is symmetric. I erase this portion. So AB B transpose AB transpose equal to, I can say this two is paired. So I can take, I can say AB transpose and B transpose of transpose. This equal to B transpose will come first, then A transpose and B. So for symmetricity, if B transpose AB would be symmetric, if B transpose AB is equal to B transpose AB, same, then it is symmetric. So we have to show B transpose AB. So these two things are equal, will be equal when you see B transpose are also there. If B there, here B transpose equal to A we have to make, then this would be symmetric. So this would be symmetric when A transpose equal to A. So correct answer is A is symmetric. Clear? A equal to cos A minus sin A, cos A plus A transpose equal to identity matrix. A is correct answer, pi by 3. So see A plus A transpose. So A plus A transpose equal to cos A minus sin A, cos A sin A plus transpose cos A, row and interchange row and column, cos A minus sin A cos A. This equal to identity matrix, that means 1 0 0 1 of order 2. So if I add these two, what we will get? If I add these two, we will get cos A plus cos A, 2 cos A, 2 cos A, sin A plus A cancel, 0, sin A minus sin A 0, cos A, 2 cos A. So I can say this equal to 1 0 0 1. So 2 cos is equal to 1. 2 cos A equal to 1. So cos A is equal to half. So when cos is equal to half, when it is cos 60, pi by 3. Therefore A equal to pi by 3. So correct answer is B, pi by 3. Clear, I think. Next, A is equal to this, A inverse is equal to this x equal to A is equal to this and A inverse is equal to this. So if this is given in numbers, so what is A in number? So how will get A from A inverse? So I know inverse of A inverse equal to A. Inverse of inverse is A. So we have to make inverse of this. So A equal to inverse of this. The inverse, for inverse we have to calculate adjoint A, dated 2 minus 0. So half and cofactors and its transpose adjoint A. Cofactors plus minus plus. So for 1 2, for 0 minus 1 minus plus 1, for minus 1 0, that is 0, and this for these two 1. So A equal to half 2 1 transpose 2 1 0 1 equal to if I multiply each element equal to 1, 0, half, half. This equal to, I can say, A. That means 2x, 0, x, x. So naturally x equal to half. So correct answer D, x equal to half. If x equal to half, or you can take 2x equal to 1, so x equal to half. So D is the correct answer. Next, you remember transpose of inverse of inverse. Inverse of inverse is the matrix itself. If A inverse is given, then again inverse A inverse. Then it will be converted to A. So 26, A is this. A inverse is equal to, we have to calculate inverse. So it will take some time to calculate inverse. So I will apply some shortcut method to calculate A inverse. You see, in all options 1 by 11 are there. So 1 by 11 may be date A, 1 by date A. So date A may be 11 or may not. Let's see date A. So date A equal to 1 into 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 2 is to 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9. This gives 2 minus 3, 1 plus 2 minus 7, 14 plus minus 14. So equal to minus 11. So date A is not 11 but minus 11. So A inverse, the formula of A inverse is 1 by date A and adjoint of matrix A. So matrix adjoint of A, this is 1 by 11. Adjoint of A means matrix of cofactor and then its transpose. So for cofactors, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So I will not calculate all the cofactors because you see why. This, if I calculate the cofactor of this column, after transpose, this will be a first row. So let us calculate first cofactors, first column of the cofactors, matrix of cofactors, first column. So for this one cofactor is 3 minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So this is 1. Then this, for this element 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus minus 3, that means plus 3 only. And next for 3, 1 minus 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 means minus 5. So for 3, 1 minus 6 plus minus plus minus 6 minus 5. Okay. Now you see, now I am not calculating other elements. Then after transposing, this would be row. So 1 by 11 minus 11. So after transposing, I am not calculating other values. So this is 1, this would be 3, and this would be minus 5. Okay. And now if I multiply, because outside only positive 1 by 11, if I multiply this 1 by 11, here multiplying minus 1, so first row would be minus 1, minus 3, 5. I am not interested in other. So I have got one answer, minus 1, minus 3, 5. So C is the correct answer. Otherwise you can calculate A inverse as usual, but it will be lengthy. For objective, for MCQ, this method is shorter method. What I have done, I have calculated date A 1 by 11, but here it is minus 1, minus 11, but here since it is positive, I multiplied each element by minus 1, but I have not calculated all the elements, because I have calculated only first column of the cofactors, and then this first column will become first row after transpose. So this becomes, and when multiplied by minus 1, the figure becomes like this, minus 1, minus 3, 5. So it resembles with the answer C. So C is the correct answer. Or you may properly calculate and you will find that this is the answer. Clear? 27, 28, 29 and 30. So first I will solve 28. A, data equal to 3, data equal to 3, and A is 3 by 3 matrix, therefore 9 elements. Date of adjoint A is equal to, you know the formula. If you don't know, you see my video on matrix, then everything is given, the value of how to calculate value of date of adjoint A. So date of adjoint A equal to date A to the power n minus 1. Here n means order of the matrix 3, square matrix. So in this case, date of adjoint A, date is 3, that means 3 to the power 3 minus 1 equal to 3 square equal to 9. So 9 is the correct answer, D. Next same, data equal to 3 and A is 3 by 3 matrix, square matrix. Date of adjoint A. At date of adjoint A is equal to date A into n minus 1 whole square. These are mentioned in my video on matrix. So here 3 is date A, 3 to the power 3 minus 1 whole square, that means 3 into 2 square, 4, 3 to the power 4, that means 81. 81 is the value of date of adjoint A. So correct option is A, 29A, 81. Next, date A is equal to 2 and date B equal to 3. So what is date AB? So date AB is nothing but, it would be date of product of date A, date AB equal to date A into date B. So date A equal to 2, date B is equal to 3, so this equal to 6. So correct answer is B, 6. Now this is also a very good problem. Adjoint A is given, 2 by 2 matrix, adjoint A is given. A is, what is A? If adjoint A is this, what is A? Out of this 4 option. So you applied your mind, what is adjoint A? Adjoint A is the matrix of, is a transpose of matrix of cofactors. So there are cofactors. There are cofactors, matrix of cofactors. So adjoint is the transpose of the cofactors. So cofactor matrix, how will it look like? Cofactor matrix transpose of adjoint A, because if I both sides I transpose, the transpose of transpose is the matrix itself. So I can say J adjoint A transpose equal to matrix of cofactors. तो adjoint A transpose, तो adjoint A transpose equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2 1. This is the actually matrix of cofactors. So you remember matrix of cofactor, the sign, the for matrix of cofactors, sign plus minus minus plus. So here 7, so it is 7 minus, here it is minus, so inside 2, so it is minus, so inside 3 and plus 1. So the position of 7, what is the position of 7 in matrix A? Now I am directly calculating A. If 7 is here matrix, so actually 7 in the it is a matrix of cofactor. It is matrix of cofactor. So actually 7 was here in the original matrix. Then it becomes cofactor in the cofactor. It is an element of the cofactor in the cofactor matrix. So 7 was here and 1 was here, and 2 was here, 2, and 3 was here. Now you compare, if it is a matrix A, then what is the cofactor of this position? 7. What is the cofactor of 3? 2, because cover row of first row and second column, 2, and this position is minus 2, and here it is, then this is 2, so for 2 cofactor would be 3 and minus 3, and for this position cofactor would be plus 1. So this is the original matrix A. So matrix A answer is, correct answer is A. 1 3 2 7. Clear? Next 4 problems. 31, 32, 33, 34. All the problems are very good. The first one is easy one. If a matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then it is diagonal matrix, null matrix, identity matrix, and none. If a matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric, it must be a null matrix, otherwise it is not possible. So correct answer is B, it must be a null matrix. So nothing to discuss, it is very easy. If a square matrix A is a square matrix, A square is equal to A, and then AI plus A whole cube is equal to minus 7 is equal to. So you may try, the correct answer is C, I. So let's solve. Given it is a square matrix and A square equal to A, so A plus I plus A whole cube minus 7A equal to A plus B whole cube formula. I cube means I into I cube also I plus 3 A square, I square means I into B, A plus 3A B square plus B cube, A cube minus 7A. I plus I into A is A, 3A, plus 3IA square means 3A square, and since A square is equal to A, so it is 3A. And A cube means A into A square, A is equal to A square, and A square is equal to A, so I can write A into A, since A square is equal to A, then it becomes again A square, so equal to A. So A cube equal to plus A. Minus 7A. 7A. So 3A plus 6A minus 7A minus 7A, 0. So this is equal to I. So correct answer is C, I. Next, alpha, beta, gamma and minus alpha A equal to, and A square equal to I. This is the main relation, A square equal to I. So A square equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. So product alpha square plus alpha square plus alpha into gamma. This into this, this into this. Beta, gamma. Then second, alpha into beta, beta minus alpha beta. This into this and this into this. This into this, alpha beta plus this into this minus. Then gamma into alpha and this into this minus alpha gamma. Again this into this gamma beta, this into this minus alpha, this into this plus this into this plus. Okay, and this equal to identity matrix, equal to 1 0 0 1. So I can say 1 equal to this alpha square plus alpha beta gamma equal to 1. So alpha square my plus beta gamma minus 1 is equal to 0. So or I can say answer, I can say taking this side, so 0 is equal to 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma. So C is the answer, equal to 0. So C is the correct answer. I think it is clear. Now 34 says, A is equal to cos x. A and A transpose is equal to 0 matrix, identity matrix of order 2, 1 1 1 1, none. So A into A transpose equal to cos x minus sin x, and its transpose cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, cos x. So A into A transpose cos x sin x, and after transpose row becomes column and this row becomes second column. So cos x into cos x plus minus sin x, square and sin x cos x and then minus sin x cos x. Here sin x cos x minus sin x cos x, again sin x square x plus cos square x. This equal to sin square cos square 1 0 0 1. So it is an identity matrix of order 2. I2 is the correct answer. Here last two problems of second video on MCQ on matrix and determinant. These two are very important. This is mainly very important. So see, this is a matrix. Then A plus 2A transpose is equal to. You can try. So correct answer is C. And for 36, for a square matrix, A into A transpose is a unit matrix, symmetric matrix, Q symmetric and diagonal matrix. Correct answer is also is B. So let's try this one. A plus A transpose. You can do in a lengthy process. A, this is A, then A transpose. You can make A transpose and multiply each element by 2. Then add this to A, then the answer will become this. But I will do in a shorter way using the property. So you see, it is a skew symmetric matrix. How will you identify a matrix to be skew symmetric? All the diagonal elements are 0. Here all the diagonal elements are 0, and you see the signs are opposite, equal, and digit is equal but sign is opposite. So minus 1, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4. Just if you go across 2 minus 2, just sign is reverse, 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 4. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. I will use the property of the skew symmetric. So A plus 2A transpose. I know that for a skew symmetric, A transpose equal to minus A. A transpose equal to minus A. So this equal to A plus 2 into minus A. So A minus 2A equal to minus A. And minus A is equal to A transpose. A transpose. So the correct answer is A transpose C. Clear? 36. The last problem of part 2 video. For a square matrix, A and A transpose is unit matrix, symmetric matrix. The answer is symmetric matrix. So how will judge A transpose? Then I will transpose it the entire product. I will transpose it again. If I see same thing comes, then it is symmetric. So this equal to, this will come first, A transpose and its whole transpose into A transpose. This is latter. This A, which was first position, this becomes second position. So A transpose and its transpose equal to A and A transpose. So this you see, A into A transpose and its transpose is equal to this. So matrix same thing. If A transpose equal to A, it is symmetric. If I consider A into A transpose is a matrix, then this its transpose is equal to the matrix itself. So it is a symmetric matrix. The answer is B. So I have completed part 2 on MCQ on matrix and determinant. I think you have understood. All the problems were new, and new means not common. different problem. 36 I have already completed 36 problem. 36 problem are of different nature. In first part I have discussed 18 and next part again 18. I hope you have understood, and if you like it, you are requested to share this video to your friends, relatives for more and more circulation. And one thing I want to clear you, if you don't understand some topic, some concept in MCQ videos, you study those I have already discussed in matrix video. You go through those matrix video which is mainly theoretical part, problems are also discussed there, then it will be easy for you to understand the MCQ. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you will watch my third part too. Thank you.